Citing sources means giving credit to the original authors or organization whose ideas or information you use. It helps avoid plagiarism, support honesty, and shows that your work is based on reliable research. Common citation style used in practical research. First, APA style or American Psychological Association. Commonly used in education, psychology, and social science. Second, MLA style or Modern Language Association. Typically used in literature, arts, and humanities. The third one is Chicago style, often used in history and subject requiring footnotes or endnotes. Parts of a citation. Citation differs depending on the type of source. Here are the common example. First, books. Format, author's last name, first initial, year, title of the book, publisher. Example, Mendoza, RA, close parenthesis, 2020, close parenthesis, practical research methods, National Bookstore. Second, journal articles. Format, author's last name, first initial, year, title of the article, journal name, volume, pages. Example, Lopez, JD, close parenthesis, 2019, close parenthesis. Research practice in senior high school, Asian education journals. Third, websites. Format, organization or authors, year, title of the web page, website name, and URL. Example, Department of Education, close parenthesis, 2024, close parenthesis. Research guidelines for students, DepEd Philippines. Why is citing sources important? First, to avoid plagiarism. Copying without citation is plagiarism, which is a serious academic offense. Second, to acknowledge authors. Giving credit shows respect for the original creator's hard works. Number 3, to build credibility. Well-cited work appears more trustworthy and scholarly. Number 4, to help others locate your sources. Readers may want to explore your sources to learn more or verified information. What will happen if you don't cite sources? If you don't cite sources, you risk plagiarism, which can damage your credibility, lead to academic penalties, and show disrespect for others' work. First, you may be accused of plagiarism. Second, your academic reputation can be damaged. Third, you miss a chance to show your research skills. And lastly, fourth, your work may lose credibility. Conclusion. Citing sources is essential in research to ensure honesty, avoid plagiarism, and give credit to original authors. Using style like APA, MLA, or Chicago adds credibility and supports strong, reliable work.
Thank you for watching.